We know Zeke needed a family, and we needed him just as much as he needed us.
I am Courtney.
I'm Scott, and we have our daughter Anna and our son now, Zeke.
Anna is our biological daughter, and Zeke is our adopted son. We initially wanted to only adopt, and fostering wasn't on our radar just for heartbreak alone. Welcoming a child into your home and then having to say goodbye.
DCS has a real good way to, allow people to learn about adoption through the different courses, and that's what we participated in. And I think, that whole process really helped us learn, what it took to be a foster parent to adoptive parents.
It was exciting the day we got the call that we had been selected as Zeke's forever home. It was an awe feeling. It was like 5-6 years of work and prayer and hope had just showed up. Our adoption day was exciting. We brought all of our family and friends in. It was a relief as well, for us to finally come to the culmination of our journey.
That was another day that there were so many people that were in our corner throughout the entire process, whether it be our closest friends or family, and they were all able to be there that day to celebrate with us because they knew of the hardships we went through, they knew the joys, so the peaks and the valleys, and for them to be there that day, it was perfect. There will be struggles. It's not an easy process at all, and there'll be times where you'll think you'll want to give up. What I would say to you is don't give up, because there's a kid out there that doesn't want you to give up, and that kid is who needs you.
Do you have any reservations at all in regards to the court granting the adoption?
No, I do not.
And would you really, 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 really like the court to grant the adoption today?
Yes, we would.
Yeah.
At this time, the court is happy to grant the adoption. Congratulations. It's official.